Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you today general neck mobility exercises. So before I go ahead with general mobility exercises, let me just tell you there are lots of exercises out there which you think they could be helpful, and I'm pretty sure you would be confused by having so many exercises and deciding which exercises to do. So before you understand what exercises are going to be beneficial for you, you need to understand why are you doing your exercises. So as a physiotherapist, when we recommend exercises to our clients, we need to understand the condition in order to make the recommendations of right exercises. But these exercises are divided into three categories depending upon the demand the client's muscles or body has. So the first kind of exercises are mobility exercises. Mobility exercises are the general exercises to increase the suppleness of the joint. So for example, rolling your shoulder, it's a general mobility exercise, or like rolling your neck, rotating your neck, your arms going up and down. So these are all mobility exercises. The second kind of exercises are stretches. So as the name says, it is a stretching exercise where you stretch the muscle. The difference between mobility and the stretching exercise is the time factor. You would hold any position for more longer time than you would do in a mobility exercise. For example, if I'm stretching my pecs, I would be using my arm in that position and I'll be holding that for minimum 30 seconds. So that's a stretching exercise. And the third kind of exercises are strengthening exercises. So strengthening exercises are the exercises you'd see people doing in the gym, where they use the weights, where they use TheraBands, pulleys, so different equipments. When they are used, they are mostly to work on your strengthening of the muscles. So before you decide any of these exercises, which exercises you are doing, make sure that you understand the aim of the exercises. So today's exercise which I'll be sharing with you are the general neck mobility exercises. The main indications of these exercises are when you don't have any pain, and if you have a sedentary lifestyle, you're sat in front of a computer, or if you're reading a book, you're bent over, or nowadays if you are looking at your phone or at your devices where your neck is bent, your neck muscles can actually get stiffened up. You might not even feel there's a pain, but you would feel some discomfort. So which means your body is demanding you for some movement. So these exercises are specific ways of how to improve that movement of the neck, which means you're using the maximum range of motion of that particular joint. So the first exercise today which I'll be sharing is called yes exercise. So this is literally you're doing yes. Your neck is, so in this you are bending your neck and extending your neck. I would always recommend people to close their eyes and feel the exercise, as you can actually get the maximum effect of any exercise when your eyes are closed, as you focus on your inside. So that's the number one tip. The second exercise which I'll be doing today is no. And the third one is maybe. The fourth is swan dive. And the fifth is neck circles.